To set voice assistant preferred engine as Google Text to Speak in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap screen reader, and then select settings. Tap text to speak, tap preferred engine, and then select Google Text to Speak engine. Tap back button to save. Now your preferred engine in voice assistant is Google Text to Speak engine. Okay, let's try to play.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
This is Google Text to Speak engine if Samsung Text to Speak engine. Just to test.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And Google Text to Speak.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.